The Homosexuality Bill sailed through the Ugandan Parliament last month, but only after lawmakers agreed to drop the death penalty clause. In a letter to the Speaker of Parliament, President Yoweri Museveni said that the bill needed to be revised. Uganda was sharply criticized by some Western nations and donors, some threatening to withdraw funding to the country over the controversial piece of law. Despite blocking the bill, President Museveni warned that homosexuality should not be promoted in Uganda. He, however, believes that improving Uganda's economy was the best way to rescue young Ugandans from the risk of what he called a disgusting behavior. Museveni's revelations come days after the Nigerian president, Goodluck Jonathan, passed a similar bill criminalizing homosexuality. Leon Sanyange, CCTV, Kampala.